body, whether it's the upper part or the lower part of the body, we want to represent it here. So we know that our blood goes to the lungs, right? Comes back to the heart, right? Then comes to the rest of the body. So this diagram will help us identify which part do the blood moves, or which part does the blood start moving. So let's start with the deoxygenated blood from the lungs. So we're saying the deoxygenated blood from the lungs with low oxygen content, it moves to the lungs through the right atrium. So if we have a right atrium, that means we can first use the right atrium. The question says, arrange these structures in the correct sequence to show the pathway of blood. Right, so we need to rearrange those so that we can know the pathway of blood. So for it to be easy for us, let's use this as a representation of our heart. So this will be the left atrium, left ventricle, then this is the right atrium and the left ventricle. Yes, and the left ventricle. Then let's put the lungs closes to prevent the backflow of blood back to the right ventricle. And from this now, this is where the blood is being pumped to the rest of the body. So we start by the right atrium, then we go to the right ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle, then we go to the left atrium, then the aorta and the rest of the body. So this is how the blood moves through the body. This is the presentation of how circulation takes place in a human body. So until next time, let's stay tuned for more. Blood, it carries the deoxygenated blood, right? Number two, when the blood is received, then it is received through the pulmonary vein. But now the valve open to allow the blood to flow. So here we are having the bicuspid valve. So the bicuspid valve is the one that allows the blood to flow, because we are saying during the arterial systole it opens to allow the blood to flow, right? So when it flows, it reaches this right ventricle, then this blood is pumped into the left atrium, and now in the left atrium, this is where now the goes into the lungs. It comes back to the heart through the left atrium, right? From the left atrium, it comes back into the right ventricle. It comes into the right ventricle. Then from the right ventricle, it goes up to the left atrium, right? It goes up to the left atrium. Then from the left atrium, it goes into the aorta. So from the left atrium, it goes into the aorta. Then from the aorta, we're saying the body. It goes to the rest of the body. Why? Because we're saying this right atrium, the right atrium is the one that contains the pulmonary. It is the one that has the pulmonary artery. That came question 9.1. Then it says, from the above equation, write down the phrases Write down the phrases. Write down the phrases in which the following compounds are found. Right? From this equation, write the phrases in which the following compounds are found. So 9.1.